Hello everyone. So welcome to Beginner Prepositions Practice Worksheet for Grade 1. Now here we are going to fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition of place. Now if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So moving on, fill in the blanks with what are the place prepositions? In, on, beside, under, between, behind. So these are the 6 place prepositions that we have been given. Now from here you have to choose the appropriate. একদম যেটা একদম ঠিক সেই প্রিপোজিশনটা চুজ করতে হবে and এই সাইডে যে সেন্টেন্স গুলো আছে সেখানে বসাতে হবে. We have to put the appropriate preposition in these sentences. Now how we have to put? First we have to look at these pictures. Now we'll see these pictures and we have to then read the sentence, and by comparing the picture and the sentence we have to find the preposition. Let us read the first sentence. The ball. So here we have to identify the position or the place of the ball. The ball is dash the table. So where is the ball in the first picture? The ball is on টেবিলের ওপরে আছে. The ball is on the table. So we will put on. See, the on is also here in the option. So we will put on. In the second, the ball is dash the table. The ball is under, মানে টেবিলের নিচে আছে. So the ball is under the table. So under is the preposition. And we have to once check that do we have the preposition option under over here? Yes, we have it here, over here. So the answer will be under. Now number 3, the ball is, where is the ball in this picture? It is inside or in the basket. Okay, here it is inside the basket. Now we do not have the option inside. If we see the options, we have in, but we do not have inside. Inside option ta nei, in option ta ache. So the ball is in the basket. Eta hobe answer. এখানে কি? The ball is beside, মানে বাস্কেটের পাশে. বলটা কোথায় আছে? বাস্কেটের পাশে. The ball is beside the basket. So beside is also over here. So beside preposition is the answer. This is the appropriate preposition seeing the picture. Now if we see this picture, we'll find where is the ball? We have to find the position of the ball. The ball is behind the chair. Behind মানে পেছনে, চেয়ারের পেছনে আছে. So the ball is behind অপশনটা কি এখানে আছে? Yes, এখানে আছে. So the ball is behind the chair. Behind is the option. The ball is, where is the ball? It is in between the two chairs. মানে দুটো চেয়ারের মাঝখানে বলটা আছে. So the ball is between, yes, the option between is over here. So the ball is between the chairs. এই যে দুটো চেয়ারের মাঝখানে, this is called between. Okay, so it is between these two chairs. Right? Hope you have understood. If you don't, please write it in the query so that we can solve and clarify if you have any doubt. Else, thank you so much and take care and bye bye.